Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to cancel your pro membership in the Wanderlog application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the person button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the three dots at the top of the page on the right, and then click on the settings button, and then click on the pro membership button, and then just click on the unsubscribe button. And then just select the reason why you want to unsubscribe. And then if you chose, for example, price too expensive, then you can give an answer like how much would you be willing to pay. And then just click on the unsubscribe me button to cancel your membership. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.